We're going to lift up on this plastic piece here, starting from the rear. There we are. Let's disconnect all this wiring. Switch right here. Just pull that right out of there. So now we have a nice clear view of the rear side of the mirror switch here. We're going to go ahead and pop it right out of there. Move that wire. If you were to take your pocket screwdriver and come right along the top area here, you can kind of pry it and then push. And then if you needed to, you can of course do the bottom area as well, and it comes right out. Once you've compared your new mirror switch to your old one, and you know you've got the same connector and everything, we're going to continue on to install. To do that, we would just put it right on the back side, line it up, and then carefully press. It clicks right in. Give it a nice tug. Make sure that it doesn't fall out. Last thing you want to do is push right here, and this goes inside your door. This looks great. We'll connect in our speaker wire. Super important. We've got our mirror wire. Click it in, give it a tug. Get my wire situated here. I'm going to turn this. Slide it right in. This one slides right in. Everything is nice and secured. You want to make sure the speaker wire is going through this slot and not over here, otherwise it could get a pinch coming across there. To install this, you're going to notice you have a hooky-doo right here towards the front area, and then you have your clips right here that are going to latch right there. That being said, come in high and put in the front area first with the hooky-doo, and then right here, give it a nice push. Couple loving bonks. Perfect. Now it's going to be time to test our work. So you want to make sure you have the key in the on position. The vehicle does not have to be running. Let's go ahead and try to put this window down and then back up. Battery's a little low in this vehicle. Perfect. Passenger side. Oh yeah. Let's go ahead and test the mirror. Right side. Yep. Awesome.